Stovetop ice cream custard is the cooked egg yolk and dairy base used to make classic French-style ice cream. Cooking the mixture on the stove gently thickens the proteins in the egg yolks, creating a smooth, stable ice cream base. The tangy, refreshing bite of buttermilk pairs with the mellow sweetness of caramelized condensed milk. This recipe makes 600 milliliters of buttermilk Dulce de Leche ice cream. In a heavy bottom sauce pot, combine 200 grams high-fat cream, 100 grams buttermilk, 100 grams Dulce de Leche, and bring to a quick scalding, 180 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, mix 4 egg yolks with 60 grams brown sugar, and slowly temper the eggs with the hot liquid, whisking constantly. This prevents the hot milk cream mixture from scrambling the eggs. Then pour the tempered egg and dairy mixture back into the heavy bottom sauce pot and cook until the custard thickens, stirring constantly with a rubber spatula, making sure to scrape the very bottom and corners of the pan, which only takes a few minutes. The custard is done when it coats the back of a spoon. Do not cook over 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Immediately strain the custard into a bowl over an ice bath to stop the cooking and add a generous splash of vanilla extract. For the best flavor, allow the custard to mature in the refrigerator overnight. Then freeze in a gelato machine until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Serve directly from the machine or transfer to an airtight container to freeze to your favorite scoopable consistency.